Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another Tips from Tiffany. Before we begin, I would like to thank everybody for all the birthday wishes. I had a great day and it just, wow, all of the messages. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That really made my day. I can't tell you enough how much I appreciated it. Chris did make me dinner that night, so that made it special too. So yes, we had a great birthday. So now on to tips from Tiffany. So I have talked about this before, and after our last cruise, I kind of felt it was a little important to bring it up again. When you're out on these cruise ships, bring your patience. Everybody's in a hurry to have fun. Everybody's in a hurry to get to where they're going. But have patience. Step back a little bit. Let the crowd get to where they're going, and then take your turn. With excursions, if you have excursions, they usually have a meeting point so that it's not so chaotic. But if you don't have an excursion, just keep your patience when you're trying to get off the ship. Same with embarkation and disembarkation. The last cruise we were on, it was crazy chaotic during disembarkation, and you know how everybody is. They want to form their own line and make their own rules, and a fight almost happened. It got pretty heated between a couple gentlemen. So just make sure that you have your patience with you. We're all going to the same place. We're all there to have a good time. Patience, I can't express that enough. You know, things happen. The Wi-Fi doesn't work exactly the way we want it to, the internet. Have your patience. Dinner, getting your meals, sometimes there's a line. Sometimes you have to wait a little bit. Bring your patience. Right now, the cruise ships, they are understaffed. So bring your patience, because they're working hard and doing everything they can to make sure that we're having a great time and we're not having to worry about cleaning or anything like that. Just make sure that you have your patience. That is my big tip for this week, because like I said, after that last cruise, patience seemed to go by the wayside a little bit. So I know we're all there to have fun, but we need to still carry our patience. So I hope this tip helps, and it doesn't necessarily need to just be applied to cruising. It can be applied to every day. Bring your patience. I can't stress that enough. I can't say that enough. So anyway, if there's any tips you'd like to see or anything I can help you with, leave a comment below, and hope you have a great weekend. And as always, we'll see you out on the high seas.